Hey guys. So this is kind of an interesting thing. The other day I was metal detecting with a friend on a private property permission at a site that is a old mining town. It's a ghost town now, and I found a pretty cool find. Uh, Take a look.
This is
Okay, so this just
oh
came out of the
yeah.
ground, and there's a little chain to it. I don't know who's that.
Oh,
Ooh, how is the glass still intact?
holy cow!
Wow, that's a big pocket watch. Yeah, I think it's just plated.
Still,
That is
that's
beautiful.
1800s.
Wow, that is a really nice relic. Okay, I'm shaking a little bit. So yeah, I mean it's an awesome pocket watch. I'm thinking it's actually gold filled. Um, it's an Elgin watch company or Elgin National Watch Company. From my brief research, Elgin made top quality pocket watches. They might even still make watches. I don't know, but I know that they're somewhat valuable and collectible. So, anyways, I've just been kind of trying to clean it as best I can using just mild soapy water and a washcloth. I got it cleaned fairly well. There's still some corrosion around the edges. But one thing that was unexpected for me is that I'm actually able to unthread the back and take it off. And I can't believe what it looks like inside. If this was actually buried in the ground for 100 plus years, which I have all reason to believe it was, this is incredible. So let's take a look. Okay, so if you can see this, I'm going to very carefully unthread the back of this. Let's see what it looks like. That is a 100 plus year old pocket watch that has been in the ground who knows how long. So here's a close up of the watch with the back unthreaded off. This is Elgin National Watch Company. Elgin, is it Illinois? And the serial number. But I mean, I think the gears are even still good. They're moving, and there's still bluing on these screws. So, I mean, this is legit. This was been in the ground for over 100 years, more than likely, and I just don't know how it's in that condition, but it is. It's amazing. The cool thing about these watches is if you can see right on the top there, I don't know if the shadows are coming in or not, but there's actually a serial number that I can type in on the internet and find out when it was made. So let's take a look at that. Sorry that my hand is shaking. Let's set that back down. What I have right here is the Pocket Watch database, and I've typed in the serial number. Hit search. This is what comes up. So it's an Elgin grade 102, model 3, class 5, estimated production year 1896. They made 75,000. It's a size, it's an 18S. Joules 11J, I don't know what that means. So, yeah, I'll have to do some more research on this, but I just thought that was amazing. And I'm kind of wondering now if it's worth the cost to have it sent in and repaired. Just looking at the back of it, I mean, it's in such good shape. I don't know. It might never run again. It might be too expensive to get to repair, but I don't know. It might be worth it. So, anyways, I thought that was worth sharing. A little bit of corrosion, but the inside is, I mean, I haven't touched that. I haven't washed it or cleaned it or anything. It's just, that's amazing. Cool. Hope you enjoyed that.